Flowers across the country are blooming earlier than usual, some by as much as a month due to unseasonably warm weather, with azaleas projected to peak around April 3rd, followed by cherry blossoms around April 7th, according to the Korea Forest Service.
산림청은 갑자기 따뜻해진 날씨 탓에 전국의 봄꽃 개화 시기가 많게는 예년보다 한 달가량 빨라졌다고 밝히면서 진달래의 경우 4월 3일, 벚꽃은 4월 7일에 만개할 것으로 내다봤습니다. Alright, so we've had a lot of unpredictable weather days.
Yeah.
Some way too cold and then some not so bad. In fact, it's been getting warm,
yeah.
but they say the flowers are going to bloom earlier than last year, so I guess it's suddenly going to become a lot warmer.
Yeah. Well, I think flowers might be confused
Yeah.
because
So
the
are we.
weather has been going up and down, as you mentioned, but that could also be due to global warming as well. But in
Sure.
general, I think we've mentioned that the average temperature per year has been increasing just steadily, bit by bit. So they're saying that spring flowers are expected to bloom a little bit earlier because I think I heard it's going to be very warm today. And starting from today, it's
okay.
going to be pretty warm. So that might be why. They say that the predictions for this year's Forsythia season will begin around March 14th in the southern regions and reach Seoul by March 25th. And that's about 4 days earlier than usual. And azaleas are also expected to bloom about 4.5 days earlier than, I guess, the average that we've been seeing so far. And of course, experts are linking this shift to climate change, noting that for every 1 degree Celsius rise in spring temperatures, blooming advances by about 4 days on average. And historical data shows that forsythias now bloom roughly 23 days earlier than 100 years ago, with similar trends for cherry and plum blossoms. And officials declare Seoul's official cherry blossom date when at least 3 flowers open on a designated branch at the Seoul Weather Station. This is something that I did not know, but that's how they decide on the date.
오케이. 자, 이 개화 시기를 예측 지도로 표현해가지고 매해 산림청이 발표를 하죠. 그래서 바로 어제도 마찬가지로 산림청이 요 봄철 꽃나무 개화 예측 지도를 발표했습니다. 전국적으로 봤을 때 뭐 어느 정도 차이는 있지만 평균 만개 시기라고 하면은 개화 50% 이상일 때 이제 평균 만개 시기다라고 본대요. 근데 그게 생강나무 같은 경우에는 3월 26일로 예상이 되고 진달래는 4월 3일, 벚나무는 4월 7일로 예상이 된답니다. 물론 일부 남쪽 지역에서는 훨씬 그 이전에
It's earlier, yep.
꽃이 필 것으로
Yep.
보이고 이미 꽃 핀 데도 있대요.
Yeah.
그런가 하면은
The confused flowers.
그래서 confused. 그러니까요. 자, 그럼 표현 한번 보도록 하겠습니다. Unseasonably warm.
When we say weather is unseasonal, it means that it's not typical, it's not
Yeah.
expected or appropriate for a particular time of year. So if it's unseasonably warm, that means it should be cold, but
Yeah.
it's warm.
Yeah, I mean, recently we had some unseasonably cold days,
Yes.
even though it should be getting warmer.
Yeah, it's the end of February. Yeah.
unseasonably 이 계절에 맞지 않게라는 뜻이고요. warm이 뒤에 붙었으니까 계절에 맞지 않게 따뜻한이라는 뜻이겠죠.
Yep.
이 꽃 이름도 나온 김에 좀 한번 본다면 아까 azalea,
Yes.
요거는 이제 진달래 혹은 철쭉이고 forsythia,
Yeah.
개나리죠.
Yeah.
그다음에 plum blossom이라고 하면 매화. 근데 아마 가장 익숙한 거는 cherry blossom,
Yeah.
벚꽃이 될 것 같아요.
Yeah. Or there's also another spring flower, magnolias.
magnolia는 뭐죠?
It's
하얀 꽃 아닌가요?
yeah, it's the big white flowers with the big petals.
Oh my goodness.
They usually come pretty early.
자,
I
여러분
don't
좀
remember
도와주세요.
what the Korean is it 철쭉? I'm not sure.
그게 목련.
목련.
목련이네요.
Yes,
네네네.
yes.
그래요. 감사합니다, 피디님. This is how good I am with my flowers.
Yeah,
See?
flower names are difficult. And then when you look it up, they give you the scientific name as well. So and then there's the name that people usually call them by. So it's very
Exactly.
difficult. Like animals, yeah.
좋습니다. 자, 그런데 만개하는 시기를 우리가 지금 보고 있잖아요. 만개하다 영어로는 단순하게 그냥 peak라고 할 수 있네요.
Yeah. So peak, as we said, it's when all the flowers or most of the flowers are in bloom, and it's used as a verb, but it means also to reach the highest point.
Right.
So you can use this when you're talking about like statistical figures as well.
피크가 여기서는 동사로 쓰였는데요. 그 최고조에 달하다라는 뜻이 있어서 꽃 얘기할 때는 만개라고 해석할
Yeah.
수 있겠죠.
Yeah, full bloom when they're in full bloom.
좋아요. 다시 읽어보겠습니다. Flowers across the country are blooming earlier than usual, some by as much as a month, due to unseasonably warm weather, with azaleas projected to peak around April 3rd, followed by cherry blossoms around April 7th, according to the Korea Forest Service.